Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis, I am going to talk about the solutions of differential equation using classical method for RC series circuit. Actually, I am going to use the differential equation, clear, that is classical method for RC circuit. That is the application, resistance and capacitance if they are connected in series. When you apply the voltage, that is a rise in voltage because capacitor is there. And capacitor is a energy storage device. It stores the energy in terms of voltage. So when you connect supply voltage capacitor will start charging, clear, and it will accumulate the charges and voltage across capacitor, that is VC, will increase. And as well as I will discuss the discharging circuit also. So here, this is the first part I am going to discuss. Okay, so here this switch was open earlier, clear, and switch open था तो current was flowing or not? No current was flowing. And here voltage across capacitor VC, that is the RC circuit we are going to talk, clear. So capacitor stores the energy in terms of voltage 1 by 2 CV square, right? So voltage will increase. So this is the step response of series RC circuit we are going to talk. A rise in voltage matlab switch you are going to close. So earlier switch was open. If the switch was open, what was the VC 0 minus? 0 minus मतलब just before closing the switch कितना था? अगर स्विच ओपन था कई घंटों से तो करंट फ्लो हो रहा था कि नहीं हो रहा था, तो कैपेसिटर चार्ज हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, so voltage across capacitor was 0. Clear? Since we know in case of capacitor it is a energy storage device, it stores energy in terms of voltage, so VC 0 minus equal to VC 0 plus. जस्ट बिफोर एंड जस्ट आफ्टर, माइनस का मतलब है जस्ट बिफोर एंड प्लस का मतलब है जस्ट आफ्टर क्लोजिंग द स्विच. इट इज, इसका मतलब है VC 0 इक्वल टू 0, क्लियर. सो बिकॉज इट स्टोर्स द एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वोल्टेज, इट अपोज द चेंज ऑफ वोल्टेज. इंडक्टर stores the energy in terms of current, it opposes the change of current. Similarly capacitor, it opposes the change of voltage. So just before closing the switch and just after closing the switch will be same. And it just before it was 0, तो जस्ट आफ्टर क्या रहेगा? 0 ही रहेगा, क्लियर. ओके, सो अगर ये 0 है इसका मतलब है इट इज एक्टिंग एज ए शॉर्ट सर्किट. वोल्टेज का 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? इट एक्ट्स एज शॉर्ट सर्किट. सो आई इक्वल टू कितना फ्लो हो रहा है? जस्ट आफ्टर दैट इज I0 प्लस कितना रहेगा? V बाई आर, बिकॉज ये तो शॉर्ट है. सो आई कितना है? पहले V बाई आर और बाद में वो चेंज होता जाएगा, बट इट इज V बाई आर. नाउ आफ्टर closing the switch, can we write the KVL? Yes, write the KVL. KVL क्या आएगा? RI प्लस इसका वोल्टेज कितना होता है? वोल्टेज 1/C इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I dt इक्वल टू सप्लाई वोल्टेज V, राइट. सो RI प्लस इसका वोल्टेज क्या होता है? 1/C इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I dt इक्वल टू V. प्लीज मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा आइडिया देता हूँ. Q इक्वल टू क्या होता है? CV. You know, you have studied already in 11th or 10th or 11th. Okay, Q equal to charge is equal to Q equal to CV. So I equal to क्या होता है? dq by dt. I equal to dq by dt. Okay, equal to क्या होगा? CV. So differentiate this dy by dt. Q equal to CV. So I equal to क्या होता है? C dv by dt. क्लियर ना? सो I equal to होता है C dv by dt. Now okay, so in this way you can find I. Now I want to find V, so क्या आएगा? dv by dt क्या होगा फ्रॉम हियर, dv by dt क्या होगा, dv by dt इक्वल टू क्या होगा 1 अपॉन c i, dv by dt इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन c i, सो v dv इक्वल टू क्या होगा 1 बाई c i dt। अगर आपको v निकालना है तो इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो यू विल गेट v इक्वल टू 1 बाई c इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ i dt। सो ये जो फार्मूला आया है ना v इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन 1 बाई c इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ i dt वी आर यूज्ड फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, so you must know it। मैं जस्ट रब कर देता हूँ ये, ओके, so I got this, this is a difference integration is there, so अगर I don't want integration so I will differentiate it, we differentiate it and differentiate it, so क्या मिलेगा आपको, you will get r di by dt, r di by dt plus I by c equal to v, I am getting it, sorry this will become 0 if you differentiate, v is a constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, so okay you will get 0, so what is the, if you solve it you will get di by dt equal to minus 1 by rc into I, so you will get, if you solve it you will get di by I equal to what, minus 1 by rc minus 1 by rc dt, okay, okay, so I got it, okay, now if you integrate it, I'm integrating it, if you integrate you will get log I base e, log I you will get base e equal to what, minus 1 by rc t plus 1 constant of integration, this is constant of integration, constant of integration, okay, so if you take anti-log, if you take anti-log क्या आएगा, I equal to आएगा यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, e raised to minus this 1 by rc into t plus k इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, e रेस टू माइनस t by rc इंटू इंटू क्या हो जाएगा, e रेस टू k, k इज ए कांस्टेंट, सो e रेस टू कांस्टेंट का अगर आप वैल्यू पुट करेंगे यू कैन से a, लेट अस से a, e raised to k is constant, so you will get one constant k, so you will get I equal to what, a e raised to minus t by rc, so I got a, now this is called a general solution, this is called as general solution. Why this is called a general solution, because this value of current is in terms of a, that's why it is called as general solution. So if you know the value of a, if you know the value of a, so this will become a particular solution, right? So I have to find the value of a. How will you find a? A can be obtained from initial condition, from initial condition. What is the initial condition? What is the initial condition? We know at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, what is the current? I equal to what? You know I equal to what? V by R. V by R. That is the initial condition. Okay. So I am going to put here. Okay. So when you put it here, एक काम करता हूँ next sheet में ले लेता हूँ here. Okay. So what is the value of I? I equal to क्या था? Sorry, just wait. Yes. What was I equal to? I equal to what? A e raised to minus t by RC. So clear? And initial condition क्या है? This is called as what? This is called as what? General solution, right? Initial condition क्या है? At t equal to 0, I equal to what? V by R, right? So we will put I equal to V by R equal to A e raised to 0. E raised to 0 क्या होता है? 1. E raised to 0 is 1. So equal to A. So I got A equal to V by R. So hence I equal to what? I equal to what? A की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दो. So V by R e raised to minus t by RC. This is called as particular solution. This is called as particular solution. So I got I equal to V by R. इसका मतलब है this is the value of whenever the capacitor will be charged, current will change at this range with this formula. So t equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So I equal to V by R. जैसे जैसे t बढ़ेगा 1, 2, 4, 5 second, 7, clear? So I will decrease. And at t equal to infinite put करोगे तो e raised to infinite क्या होता है? 0 into V by R. So you will get this waveform for the current. I equal to current का waveform कैसे आएगा? टाइम के साथ t equal to 0 पे आपने सर्किट को क्लोज किया था और current will decrease and it will become 0 at t equal to infinite. At t equal to infinite, e raised to infinite is 0 होता है. This term will become 0 and V by R into 0 is 0. So this is the current curves. Okay? Now, okay, I'm not interested in current, I'm interested in voltage. So you know, ऐसा था ना आपने t equal to 0 पे क्लोज किया था. This was R, this was C, और यहाँ क्या था आपका सोर्स V. This was voltage क्या है? ये ग्राउंड अगर है तो यहाँ का है VC. ऐसे ही फ्लो हो रहा है ना करंट कम हो रहा है, राइट? यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या है? व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज हियर? V. So can I say from this formula, from this figure can करंट ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा है, यहाँ का पोटेंशियल क्या है? V. So अगर करंट 0 होता तो VC इक्वल टू V हो जाएगा, बट करंट फ्लो हो रहा है तो कैन आई से V माइनस दिस ड्रॉप इक्वल टू VC. इज इट क्लियर? यहाँ से करंट यहाँ आ रहा है, सो दिस इज V माइनस यहाँ का ड्रॉप होगा ना I इंटू R इक्वल टू VC. ओके, सो VC इक्वल टू क्या है? V माइनस I कितना है? ये I R into I. What is the value of I? V by R e raised to minus t by R C. So R will be cancelled. You will get VC equal to what? V कॉमन लिया तो क्या आएगा? 1 minus e raised to minus t by R C. So I got this formula. VC equal to V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. At t equal to 0. T equal to 0. E raised to 0 क्या होता है? 1. 1 minus 1 0 into V. VC equal to 0. VC कितना हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. और t equal to infinite, अगर आप t की वैल्यू infinite पुट करेंगे तो e raised to minus infinite क्या होता है? 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1 into V. तो VC कितना हो जाएगा? V. So slowly capacitor will be charged. And if you draw the characteristic T versus VC. So at t equal to 0, यहाँ पुट करो 0, e raised to 0 क्या होता है? 1, ये 1 आ जाएगा. 1 minus this 1 0 into V 0. So VC will be 0 at t equal to 0. और जैसे जैसे t बढ़ेगा, what will happen? t बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा? This term will reduce. Clear? So automatically VC will increase and t equal to infinite. At t equal to infinite क्या होगा? at t equal to infinite. If you put it, e raised to minus infinite is 0. This term will become 0. 1 minus 0, 1 into v, 1 v. So this slowly this will increase, and it will start like this. And final value of vc कितना आएगा? vc equal to what? v. Supply voltage के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. So if you want to charge the capacitor, you can charge up to supply voltage, right? So this is the curve. It is rise in voltage, rise in voltage. But what about current? Decrease in current. So when you are charging the capacitor, voltage will increase, current will decrease. Okay, we have these two expression of voltage and current. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I have to define the time constant also. So I'm just going back. Okay, so ये मैं रब कर देता हूँ. First of all, I'm rubbing it. I'm rubbing it and sorry, I'm defining the time constant. Now I got the voltage VC equal to क्या आया था formula? VC equal to V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by R C. The term R into C called as time constant tau. So this expression can be modified to what? Vc equal to V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. This is the expression I got it. Similarly, I equal to क्या आएगा? I equal to what? V by R e raised to minus t by tau. So we know these two formula. Last slide में मैंने drive किए these two formulas, right? Now, so when you increase the voltage of, when we increase the t at t equal to 0, 1 minus 1, t equal to 0, e raised to 0 क्या होता है? 1, 1 minus 1, 0 into v 0, so vc will be 0. और t equal to infinite put करोगे यहाँ पर, so this will become 1, sorry, this will become 0, 1 minus 0, you will get 1, v into 1 is vc equal to v, ऐसा आएगा, up to v. Current will decrease. Okay. Now, what is the time constant? Tau equal to क्या होता है? RC. How will you define it? Put t equal to tau in this expression. Put t equal to tau. When you put t equal to tau, Vc equal to क्या आएगा? Vc equal to V in bracket e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to minus 1. ये 1 minus t equal to tau put करेंगे e raised to minus 1. So क्या आएगा? V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus 1. What is the value of calculator? I am going to use the calculator. I am going to use the calculator. E raised to, shift e raised to minus 1. I am getting 0.3678. 0.3678 equal to what? 1 minus 0.3678. I am getting 0.63. 0.632 of V. ये 0.632 into V. इसका मतलब है, so this is rise in voltage. यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए कितना वोल्टेज पहुंचने के लिए? 0.632 टाइम्स ऑफ V पहुंचने के लिए कुछ टाइम लगेगा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टाइम कांस्टेंट. सो टाइम कांस्टेंट tau is defined as time required to rise the current, rise the voltage to कितना? 632 times, yes, 63.2% of what? Of what? V क्या है? मिनिमम वोल्टेज की मैक्सिमम? ऑफ फाइनल वोल्टेज. फाइनल वोल्टेज और मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज. फाइनल वोल्टेज है ना ये. Okay, so this is the time constant tau. You can say tau equal to what? In case of RC circuit, tau equal to R into C. This is the definition of time constant. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I'm going to take the uh, discharging curve. Okay, discharging of RC circuit. So I'm going to take it. Just wait. I'm rubbing it. Okay, now discharging curve I'm going to take. Next slide. Step response of series RC circuit, decay in voltage, right? So see here, for example, I'm going to draw the circuit. This is the supply voltage V, clear? This is the switch we have, this is R and this is C, clear? This is the position number 1. I'm assuming the switch was in position number 1 for a long time. Switch was in position number 1 for a long time. क्या हुआ होगा? Yes, just tell me. Switch अगर 1 position में था तो क्या हो गया? Current was flowing in this way. ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा था. Clear? Current was flowing in this way. And when the current was flowing here, so capacitor क्या हुआ होगा? चार्ज हो गया होगा. Okay. कहाँ तक चार्ज होगा? जितना सप्लाई वोल्टेज है. क्योंकि करंट पहले ज्यादा रहता है, बाद में कम होते होते जीरो हो जाता है, तो यहाँ का ड्रॉप जीरो हो जाएगा. सो VC और V will become same. We know, we have studied already. So okay. So at time t equal to 0, we are moving the switch position number 2. This is the position number 2, right? यहाँ हम मूव कर रहे हैं. ये जो स्विच है ना, दिस इज द टू वे स्विच है. आई एम मूविंग द स्विच t equal to 0 पे at from 1 to 2. Okay, so at time t equal to 0, moving the switch at position number 2. So VC0 minus means what? Just before operating the switch. इसका मतलब स्विच कहाँ था? 1 पे था. तो कितना कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज चार्ज हो गया है? VC, that is V, right ना? V तक. और जस्ट आफ्टर VC0 प्लस क्या होगा? Just before and just after. Okay, voltage will be same or different? Same. Why? Because capacitor is a device which stores the energy in terms of voltage and it opposes the change of voltage. So VC0 minus equal to VC0 plus equal to VC0 equal to what? V. Okay. Now at t equal to 0, sorry, at t equal to 0, I'm moving the switch to 2. Okay, at t equal to 0, move the switch to 2. Okay, now what will happen? Just see here. I'm going to use the ink. Change करता हूँ मैं. आएगा 2 पे आने के बाद. This will become like this R. This will be the C. Switch will be like that. This was the R. This was C. और already कैपेसिटर चार्ज है. कहाँ तक चार्ज है? चार्ज कंडीशन में. So it will supply the current in this direction. What is the current? Voltage. KVL क्या आएगा? If you write the KVL, what is the KVL? Yes, RI plus what? 1 by C integration of V dt 1 upon C integration of I dt, sorry. I dt. Okay, equal to what? No source equal to 0. So I am getting Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dt equal to 0. If you differentiate, it क्या आएगा? R di by dt plus I upon C equal to 0. Okay, so we can modify this equation. Equal to क्या आएगा? Di upon I. If you modify Di upon I equal to minus 1 by RC into T dt. Sorry, ये टर्म उधर जाएगी, so इधर आएगी तो minus 1 by RC into dt. Okay, if you integrate both sides, on integrating, if you integrate क्या आएगा? Log I base E. Okay, equal to what? Minus 1 by RC into T plus K, constant of integration, right? So I am getting this. Okay, so log I equal to what? Minus 1 by RC T plus K. This K is what? Constant of integration. Constant of integration. Okay, so I equal to क्या आएगा? If you take anti-log, I equal to what? I equal to what? E raised to minus, okay, e raised to minus 1 by RC into T plus K इक्वल टू, अगर इसको ओपन करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? e रेस टू माइनस टी बाई आर सी ना, ये टी बाई आर सी है. ओके, और यहाँ क्या आएगा? इनटू आ जाएगा, इनटू ई रेस टू के, एंड के इज कांस्टेंट है. अगर तो ई रेस टू के क्या होगा? वन कांस्टेंट रहेगा, लेट से ए. अगर एक के कांस्टेंट से उसका e raised to k, you can say one new constant a. So you are getting I equal to what? a, इसके बदले में a into e raised to minus t by rc. So I am getting the same formula, I equal to what? A e raised to minus t rc. Okay, ठीक है. Now I am going to use another slide. Just wait. Okay, I'm rubbing it. So please see here. I got the formula I equal to what? I equal to what? I got the formula I equal to A e raised to minus t by rc. This is called a general solution. Why it is called a general solution? Because it is in terms of A. अगर A की वैल्यू मालूम होती तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. So I got the formula I equal to A into e raised to minus trc, and you can find, we can find A from where? Initial condition. We can find the value of A from initial condition. What is the value of I at t equal to 0? At t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. What was the current I? Yes. At t equal to 0, what was the current? I equal to कितना था? V by R. Because if you see this formula, अगर आप इसको ड्रा करेंगे, t versus I, तो क्या है? t equal to 0, e raised to 0 1 होता है, तो this will be highest value. Okay, and जैसे जैसे ये t बढ़ेगा, e raised to infinite क्या होता है? 0, I will become 0. So it is trooping in characteristic like that. ऐसा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आने वाला है. Clear? So we can find I from A from the initial condition at t equal to 0. What was the I? I was equal to V by R. Okay. So I'm going to put here at t equal to 0, I equal to V by R, V by R, I equal to V by R equal to A into e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 क्या होता है 1, so A equal to we got V by R. Hence I got the formula I equal to what? A equal to कितना है V by R e raised to minus t by R C. So this is the formula I got, right? So please see here, when you are charging the capacitor, same formula we had. When you are discharging the capacitor, same formula I am getting here. इनका मतलब ये है कि when you are charging or discharging, in both the cases current will reduce. ऐसा कर आएगा करंट का, चाहे चार्ज कर रहा हो चाहे डिस्चार्ज, दोनों केस में करंट कम होता है. ओके, नाउ so I got I equal to V by R e raised to minus t by RC. So VC इक्वल टू क्या होगा, आपको एक कर्व मैंने ऐसा बताया था, ऐसा R और ये C, ऐसा ही है ना, ये कैपेसिटर चार्ज हो रहा है और ये R है, ये C है. So if you write the equation लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा, VC इक्वल टू क्या लिखेंगे, VC इक्वल टू VR. भाई VC इक्वल टू VR ही होगा ना, VC इक्वल टू VR, और VR इक्वल टू क्या होता है IR. सो VC इक्वल टू VR और VC इक्वल टू VR, और VR क्या होता है I into R फ्रॉम ओम्स लॉ. सो VC इक्वल टू व्हाट, I into R, I into R. I कितना है, दिस इज R, I कितना है V by R e raised to minus t by RC. So R will be cancelled, you will get VC equal to what, V e raised to minus t by R into C. So I got this expression for the voltage. Clear? So if you put t equal to 0, e raised to 0 क्या होता है 1, VC equal to V. अगर if you put draw the curves time versus voltage VC, कैसे आएगा, at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, e raised to 0 क्या होता है 1, VC equal to V, this VC equal to V, right? and जैसे जैसे t बढ़ेगा, okay, this VC will decrease and t equal to infinite, put the t equal to infinite, e raised to infinite क्या होता है, e raised to minus infinite 0 into V, तो 0 हो जाए. इसका मतलब this will be decreasing like that. इसका मतलब ये है कि both in case of discharge, when you are discharging the capacitor, both voltage and current both will reduce. Clear? and formula क्या है, VC equal to V e raised to minus t by RC. okay, and RC क्या होता है, tau equal to क्या होता है R into C, टाइम कांस्टेंट. सो यहाँ पर फार्मूला क्या आएगा, VC equal to V e raised to minus t by tau. okay, so this is the expression of the voltage and current. Right now I am coming back here and it is clear. Now I am going to define the time constant tau. okay, so मैं पहले रब करता हूँ इसको. टाइम कांस्टेंट we know VC equal to क्या है आपका, VC equal to क्या आया है, VC equal to what, V e raised to minus t by RC. we got it. put t equal to the term R into C called as time constant tau. okay, so if you put it here, so VC you will get V e raised to minus t by tau, and if you draw the curve time versus voltage VC, so put t equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, VC equal to V. and put t equal to increase. If you put t equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 10 like that, so this will decrease. And finally t equal to infinite put करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? t equal to infinite क्या होता है? e raised to minus infinite 0. 0 into v, 0. vc will be 0. So this will decrease like this. Like that. Okay. So you have t equal to infinite like that. So this is the expression we have. Current भी कम होता है. Okay. Now put here in this expression, put t equal to tau. So vc equal to क्या हो जाएगा? When you put t equal to tau, vc equal to v e raised to minus 1 हो जाएगा ये. Put t equal to tau, so tau by tau is 1. e raised to minus 1 क्या होता है? 0.3678 of v. vc equal to. इसका मतलब है टाइम रिक्वायर्ड, दिस इज v, राइट. यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए कितना पहुंचने के लिए? 0.3678 ऑफ सप्लाई वोल्टेज पहुंचने के लिए इट विल रिक्वायर सम टाइम. This is called as time constant tau. So what is the time constant? Time constant tau is defined as time required to rise the voltage or decrease the voltage? To decrease the voltage. कितना वोल्टेज? 2 वाट. 0.3678 ऑफ v. v क्या है? इनिशियल वोल्टेज या फाइनल वोल्टेज? जब डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो इनिशियल वोल्टेज टाइम्स decrease the voltage to 0.3678 times the initial voltage or final initial voltage of initial voltage. Initial voltage क्या है? Maximum voltage. That is initial voltage or maximum voltage you can say. So this is the definition of time constant. So I have taken RC circuit both rise in voltage and decrease in voltage. I have defined the time constant in both the cases. Clear? Time constant क्या होता है? Tau equal to RC. In both the cases, whether you are charging or whether you are discharging, in both the cases current will reduce. याद रखना, इनिशियली करंट ज्यादा रहता है और कम होता जाता है. इसलिए अगर आप जैसे इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए बैटरी, इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए बैटरी. अभी अब मैं बैटरी का केस लेता हूं. ये आपके प्लस माइनस टर्मिनल है बैटरी के, राइट. ओके. और यहाँ आप सप्लाई दे रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट दे रहे हैं या सोर्स लगा दिया आपने यहाँ, प्लस माइनस. तो क्या होगा? ये वोल्टेज पहले क्या होगा? ज्यादा करंट फ्लो होगा. क्यों? व्हाई इट इज फ्लोइंग मोर? बिकॉज इनिशियली वोल्टेज इज लेस. सो आई इक्वल टू क्या है? दिस वी सप्लाई, दिस इज वी बैटरी. आई इक्वल टू क्या होता है? आई इक्वल टू वी सप्लाई माइनस वी बैटरी अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस. सपोज रेजिस्टेंस आर है. सो वी बैटरी वोल्टेज का, मान लो दिस इज से 15 वोल्ट का सोर्स है. ये कितना है? सपोज करो, एक्चुअली जीरो तो नहीं होता है इनिशियली बैटरी वोल्टेज में भी. सपोज 8 वोल्ट. सो 15 माइनस 8 7 बाई आर. थोड़ी देर के बाद ये चार्ज होकर 8 के बदले में 9 हो गया. तो क्या आएगा? 15 माइनस 9 6 अपॉन आर. फिर बाद में 10 वोल्ट हो गया. तो क्या आएगा? 5 बाई आर. सो करंट कम होता जा रहा है और फाइनली कितना हो जाएगा? गिरते गिरते फाइनली 0. इसका मतलब ये होगा, व्हेन यू आर चार्जिंग द बैटरी, इनिशियली current will be more and slowly decrease. So initially suppose आप बैटरी को चार्ज कर रहे हैं तो 70-80% चार्ज होने के लिए it will take very small amount of time, लेकिन बाद में it will take more time. ठीक है? करंट कम हो जाता है. सो इसके लिए हम बैटरी को जब चार्ज करते हैं तो क्या यूज करते हैं? कांस्टेंट करंट. चार्जिंग विल बी बेटर. एनीवे, वो बैटरी है, वो विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन, बट दिस इज द सेम कंसेप्ट वी हैव एंड आई टोल्ड यू. ओके, सो आई एम रबिंग इट. In the next presentation, I am going to talk some numerical based on the RC circuit. Clear? So that concept will be clear and it will require some derivations, formulas, time constant, etc. Okay? So thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.